Hello, my name is Elizabeth and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a Philadelphia roll. We're going to use Philadelphia cream cheese and smoked salmon. I've already cut up the Philadelphia cream cheese, my smoked salmon, and avocado. Now that my station is prepped, I'm going to put the sushi seasoning vinegar on my hands to prevent the rice from sticking. Grab a spoonful of rice and place it on the rough side of the nori sheet. Going to gently spread the rice to all the edges. We want to make sure our rice is warm, not cold. If the rice is cold, it will not stick to the sheet. If the rice is too hot, the sheet will start to crinkle and crumble and bubble up. So as you can see, rice is just right, perfect temperature. So I move the rice around till it meets all the edges. I may have some of the seaweed sheet peeking through. That's okay. I like it to be a thin layer, not very thick. Okay. Next step, I like to put the black and white sesame seeds on at this stage. Sprinkle those on generously. Now I'm going to flip the sheet and assemble the toppings. So I'm going to start with the smoked salmon. Next, cream cheese. I'm going to roll once, and then I like to add the avocado. You can do it all at once. I prefer to roll once. Helps keep the roll tight. So 3 slices, roll again. So as I'm rolling, I'm lifting with my thumbs at the back. I use my fingers in the front to hold and roll forward. I'm going to keep rolling until I make all the way to this edge. And check the edge. The seam is flat. I'm going to place that onto the base of the mat, and I'm pressing from the center out. Now that that's done, I'm going to slice the roll. You're going to need a knife with a sharp edge, and I wet the knife down with the rice vinegar. Grab a paper towel. Safer. Now with cream cheese, it tends to build up and stick to the knife, so I'll have to stop, clean the knife again with the rice vinegar. So we're going to cut through the center. Look at that. Cream cheese, your smoked salmon, and an avocado. And the cream cheese is building up on the knife. I'm going to wipe that off. Cut again. I use my fingers to help guide for the thickness. I'm able to do 2 cuts. It starts to build up. Clean the knife again. Last cut is always hard because it's the end piece. And it's not much to hold on to. Make sure you're tucking your thumb in so you do not slice the tip of your thumb while you're cutting. Now this is done. Now time to plate. So I like to place that on the plate in the center. ginger, a little wasabi. I use these little dishes for soy sauce. There you go. That's all you need. Philadelphia roll.